Hey guys, it's Chris from Tiny Industrial, and I'm here at my tiny house in the Catskills region of New York, and it's time. What time is it? It's time to kick off the tiny house build series. Now, I'm not going to teach you how to build a big tiny house like this, but I am going to teach you how to build a small tiny house. I'm going to be releasing one video a week that's going to help you build one of these. Like what you see? All right, stick around because every week I'll be releasing a new video that's going to show you step by step how to build one of these. The videos go hand in hand with the book that I have coming out, which is called Building Your Tiny House Dream by Fox Chappell. And that book is available for pre-order on Amazon currently. It will be out in the next few weeks. Pick that up. Now the videos are going to be of the exact same build that I do for the book. And the book and the videos really kind of go hand in hand. Can you build a house with just the book? Sure. Can you build a house with just the videos? Yeah, probably. But they do go together kind of like peanut butter and chocolate. So I do highly recommend that you get the book, link in the description below. Every Wednesday, like I said, new video, hit subscribe. I want it to be interactive. I want it to be fun for people. I'm going to do my best to respond to any and all of the comments that people leave. If there's something that I didn't describe very well, let me know. If there's something that you feel you need a little bit more information on, or if you just have some nice things to say about it, great. You know, that's really what I'm here for. I'm here to help, and I'm here to empower people to build their own house. Now, the house that you build could serve any possible number of purposes. The initial part of the book and the video series will teach you how to build a shell of a tiny house, which is really just 4 walls, a roof, and a door cut out. And then you can turn that into whatever you want. Now, in the book and then in the video series, I turn it into a camper model that has a sleeping area, small kitchen, seating area. But you can turn it into whatever you want. You could turn it into a recording studio, a backyard guest space. It could be a pool house. It could be a home office. Whatever you want it for is basically fair game. I'm looking forward to doing this, and I'm pretty excited because I have a lot of video to work my way through and edit. But yeah, let's kick this thing off, and you're gonna hold me accountable ultimately in getting this material out there. But do consider getting the book. I do have my other book as well, which is called The Joy of Tiny House Living, and that's also available through Amazon right now. And that's more of a book that describes all the various things and aspects that you need to think about if you're thinking about going tiny and choosing that type of lifestyle. Again, I walk through just sort of the theory and the fundamentals behind many aspects of tiny house living in that book. But that book is not a hands-on manual, and it will not teach you how to build one. Building Your Tiny House Dream is the book that will do that. So that's it for me for now. Next Wednesday, there'll be video number 1, which will be about trailer selection. Yeah, follow along. You too can build a tiny house. No prior experience necessary. All right, Chris signing off. See you later.